Oh dear, what a mess. Eee. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Julie. Welcome. In today's video, I am unboxing the IPSY Extra for the month of June. And in this box, there's two other boxes and then a bag with Marilyn Monroe signature. This was like a Marilyn Monroe inspired box, I think. And yeah, it's interesting that they did this little grab bag instead of like the normal zips. I hope they're not totally getting rid of the bigger zip pouches because I really love them. This is not very useful in my opinion. Maybe for some things, but not as useful as like a zippy pouch. Anyways, let's just get right into it. Ta-da! Yeah. IPSY June 2026. Blend the rules. Come back to the classics. So June marks what would have been the 100th birthday of Marilyn Monroe. Wow. And this was for Pride Month, so let's just get right into it and see what's in this box. I'm very excited. I'm gonna start with the smaller boxes. So first is Patchology Mood Mask Playing in Defense, a barrier boosting sheet mask. Great, there's 4 of them in here, so awesome. Love sheet masks. And then in this box, my dream palette. Oh. Natasha Denona. Uh-oh. Even though they packaged it, it is leaking everywhere. So there's definitely a shadow that shattered in here. Oh no. And it looks like it was a black one, so. Oh dear, what a mess. Eee. The black one's definitely shattered. Total bummer. Oh my gosh, what a gorgeous palette though. Ooh, you could see, totally broken. There's black eyeshadow everywhere. Leave me like a purple heart if you want a tutorial with this. I'm really drawn to this plum color, especially because I have like green eyes. I think this palette would be amazing. Honestly, fantastic, other than it's totally broken and like getting black eyeshadow everywhere. Now, for the main deal. Let's see what's in this bag. The Murad Retinol Youth Oil Drops. Ooh, I love retinol products. And a retinol oil, that sounds awesome. Ooh, it smells really good. It almost smells like hair care. Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Dew Shield Hydrating Fluid. I have this product. I love this product. I've been using it all summer. So love to have a backup. I live in Florida. We use SPF year round. So love that. Next, oh yeah. This is the Iced from Commodity Fragrance. I have not tried this yet. I love Juice Commodity. It's one of my many repurchased fragrances. And recently I discovered the Milk, which is fantastic, and Gold is good. Gold is strong. I don't think I would repurchase Gold, but this is the Iced. Oh, oh wow, that's... Ooh, that is a very unique smell. It does have like a note of like herbal tea at the end. It's very bright and clean and earthy, and then it finishes with like this herbal tea note, like you just brewed a cup of tea. So very interesting fragrance. Next, ooh, we have Lucky Chick brushes. There's a large shader. I just love getting brushes. These are synthetic. We have a large shader, a tapered brush, and a medium angled. Has this beautiful ombre. It's like the sunset. Lovely. So this is the TYS Beauty Lip Butter in Lychee. And it literally looks like the inside of a lychee. Does it smell like it? Ooh, that smells so good. And the component's super unique. It's like what a unique shape. Okay, I'm excited to try this one too. And last in my June IPSY Extra is Rare Beauty Nearly Rose Melting Blush. I love the Rare Beauty blushes that I have, and they are like highlighter blushes. So this one's a totally different component. And it's like pale pink and shiny. Ooh! It is like a balm blush. This is a little bit sheer, very sheer. Wow, this is really beautiful. Super sheer, which is interesting because all her products are so pigmented, but this is actually very sheer and glossy. Awesome, I'm excited to try that as well. All right, you guys, that is what was in my June IPSY Extra. If you like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.